Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we are making a spinach and artichoke dip. I think this is a perfect thing to have year round, kind of in your toolbox for things to do when family's coming over, friends coming over. So it's awesome to do at Christmas, like if you want to have family over and have some appetizers out. It's dairy free, it's vegan, it's gluten free. It's made from real ingredients. A lot of the spinach and artichoke dips that are out there that are healthy have a lot of interesting binders and ingredients in them. So this one is super clean. It's made from very minimal ingredients and I can't wait to show it to you. It's one of my favorite things. So we're going to start off with a blender. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of raw unsalted cashews. So dump those into your blender, 1.5 cups of cashews. Oops. If you don't have a super good blender, like if you have one that isn't this big or just maybe not as high powered as you would like it to be, I would recommend soaking the cashews so that they're softer. However, if you do have a Vitamix or a Blendtec or a Ninja or something that's super good, then you should be fine using them raw. But if you are having a hard time getting a smooth consistency, soak your cashews first. So, fun tip. Okay, so 1.5 cups of cashews. I have 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to add 3 whole garlic cloves. So these are peeled, so we're going to add 3. And then I have 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. This is all of your B vitamins. So those of you that are plant-based, it's a great option for B vitamins. And then I have 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Let's see here. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to put both of those in there. And then last but not least, I have a teaspoon of onion granules. If you prefer to use like raw onion, that's fine too, or sauteed onion. This is just super easy. So we're going to blend this up first to get a really smooth consistency, and then we'll add our next ingredients. Okay, so yay! We have a super creamy, I don't know if you guys can see this, not really, but it's very smooth, no grit whatsoever. Now I'm gonna add, I have 1 can, I already emptied them and rinsed them off, of artichokes, and these are quartered. So I would get quartered artichokes. You can do whatever comes is fine. You're just gonna pulse them in the blender to chop them up a little bit more. So this is 1 can of artichokes. And again, I got quartered. I'm going to just pulse this in the blender to kind of chop them up a little bit for me. A few. Let's see here. I think, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so I did like 3 big pulses and they're really nice and chopped up. Now I'm going to dump in my spinach. This is already chopped up. So I did 4 ounces, which is about 4 cups of spinach, and I chopped it up really small. I'm not going to pulse this. Otherwise we have bright green smoothie situation. I'm just going to mix it in here to make it to where I don't have to use a mixing bowl. So we're just going to add in our chopped up spinach. And now I'm just going to use a spatula and I'm just going to stir this up in here. I'm not going to blend it. Because you don't want, I mean, if you blended it, it's just going to turn green. It's going to be fine. It'll taste the same. Okay. So, yum, yum, yum. I can't wait to eat this. I'm excited to teach it to you guys, but I'm also really excited to eat it. Okay, you guys can see this. We have, I'm afraid I'm going to like spill this on my laptop. We have this beautiful creamy situation. I'm going to use a glass pie dish and I'm just going to pour this in here, okay? So going in. So I'm going to stir this up a little bit. There you have it. This is it. I made a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. So we have our cashew, artichoke, spinach combination mixture in here. I'm going to cover this with a glass lid. I'm going to bake this for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Then I'm going to pull the lid off and bake it for an additional 10 minutes at 400 degrees. So my oven is already preheated and ready. We're going to put this in and I will come back when it's done. Okay, you guys, it is out of the oven and it's looking delicious. It definitely took longer than 20 minutes. I said 10 minutes covered and 10 minutes uncovered. It's more like 10 minutes covered, 25 minutes uncovered. So I will put that in the recipe description in the comment box. But here we go. I have this. I'm going to take some pictures of it before I try it, but it looks and smells delicious. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe over the holidays. Be sure to comment below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.